talk about the image formation, means how the image is forming through a concave mirror. The law of image formation we have already discussed in the previous video. So just I am telling you about the image, that how it is forming through a concave mirror. So first I am taking, if the object is placed at infinity. Suppose this is the concave mirror. Now you can see through this diagram that how image is forming. Please see it carefully. That suppose the object is placed at infinity. We don't know that where is the position of the object. So the ray is coming parallel to this principal axis. This ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. Another ray, it is also coming parallel to the principal axis. When the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, always go through the focus. So this is also going through the focus. And suppose ray is coming on the C, then it will go back on through the C. Now all three rays, 1, 2 and 3, all three rays are meeting on principal focus. So image will be formed on principal focus. What will be the nature of this image? The image will be very small. It will be just like a point. Second thing, the image is real because the lines are meeting on this point really. That's why the image will be real image. Third, the image will be formed on the principal focus. Now the second is the object placed at center of curvature. You can see in this diagram, this is the concave mirror. Focus and center of curvature. So the object is placed at the center of curvature. Suppose this is the object A and B. Always please remember, students, that the distance between P and F and C should be equal. Suppose you are taking, this is 1 centimeter, it should be 1 centimeter. Now the object is situated on center of curvature, it is AB. Find that the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. This ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. The reflecting ray will move through the focus. Second, you can take that the ray is coming through the focus. It always be parallel to the principal axis. You can see that both the reflected rays meeting on this point. So the image will be formed on the center of curvature. The image will be real because both the reflected rays are meeting on a point. The image will be equal in the size to the object and it will be inverted. You can see the object is A to B and it will be A dash B dash, that the image will be inverted. The third condition I am taking, that object is placed between the principal focus and pole. This is the principal focus, and in this condition, suppose the object is situated between F and P. Suppose this is the object A and B. It is situated between F and P. First rule we will apply, that the ray is falling on this concave mirror. It will be parallel to the principal focus. It always move through the focus point. Now the second rule you can apply, that suppose the ray is falling on P. It is falling on P. It is making this angle. So on the same angle it will be reflect. Now you can see in this diagram, if we are increasing the lines, they will not meet this side. So we have to increase them at the back side. Now I am increasing the rays at the back. You can see that where these rays are meeting, suppose these rays are meeting here, so the image will be formed here and image will be virtual because the rays are not actually meeting, they supposed to meet. That's why the image will be virtual. It will be erect, will be bigger than the object and formed at the back side of the mirror. So I have explained you 3 images. Now the rest one you will just try to make by yourself. So these you can follow. I have given you this table. You can follow this table and try to make the other rest images, and any problem you can send in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe this channel.